Welcome to the Traders Show. This show is brought to you by Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an award-winning online global forex and CFD broker. It offers unparalleled service, exceptional pricing, and fast execution speed. Pepperstone gives you access into the global markets with more trading opportunities, first-class customer service, and peace of mind. Withdrawals are quick, and for those in Kenya, M-Pesa is enabled. Pepperstone Markets is regulated by the Capital Markets Authority. To open an account with Pepperstone, you can click the links on the descriptions below.
Yep.
Okay, so I think a good starting point is a question that I remember you were asking in the office, Lavi, some other time, and I never answered personally, but I was just listening in. I was doing some other work, but I was listening in when you and Caleb were talking about it, and you asked, like, is there first any edge in becoming good at technical analysis in trading?
Can you get an edge?
Like, can you get an edge
in technical?
The question was, can technical analysis be a winning edge in the markets?
Exactly. So that was a very, very good question. And if you need to really think about it, because let's say if you're trading a particular pattern, there's no edge in saying like there's no pattern that you're trading that. No, like let's say if you use a certain indicator, you're not the only one who uses that indicator.
Yeah.
If you use a certain pattern, you're not the only one
who sees it or uses it.
Uses that pattern. So if you think about it, there is much more to trading than just the basic pattern, right?
Yeah.
I think there's much more for you to make money than
exactly.
seeing that pattern, right? That's why you're asking, is there any edge really in like knowing a certain pattern or understanding a certain pattern? So I'm wondering, like, let's go back there. Like, what are your thoughts on that?
Tarrus, you can start. What were you saying?
Yeah,
you brought up
for me,
the question.
Like, that was a question I put on the table for us to crunch.
True.
And until now, everyone is still thinking so much about it. Like, hey, okay, can I just have a winning edge by being good at technical analysis?
For these people, just to understand a bit, what do you mean by edge?
An edge basically is a factor of your trading that helps you to over a range of trades or over a period of time, a long period of time, not just over one or two trades. Let's say over 2 years of trading. You can see that how you've been trading basically. Like for me, an edge in trading basically is, that's why I was asking that question specifically for technical analysis, because for me an edge in trading is your whole system, which cannot be just technical analysis. So for me, like I look at a system that has traded for 2 years, and I look at what has made this system sustainable, profitably, and consistently for over 2 years. That is, like, I'll try and look at that system and look at what is the edge of this person. And most times, just even from learning from most developed traders or people who have been in the industry, most of them, or how I understand their story is not majorly, like their edge is not majorly on how they identify trades. Their main edge is how they manage the trades. Basically, how they manage themselves and how they manage the trades. So, idea generation for me, for that question, I think I'll say technical analysis can help you to a certain degree in developing a winning edge. Let's say a 30% degree in developing a winning edge. But technical analysis in itself, like, you can't just say, me, I know this pattern and this is the pattern that makes me money. Like, there are so many other things, there are so many other risks that can come in for you to destroy that pattern, even after you've entered the trade and you've put your risk parameter as well. You can enter the trade, yes, psychological factors come in. Let's say you make 50% into the trade, you come out, you see, and the trade just falls into TP. Let's say you can get also emotional problems. Again, trade goes close to your stop loss, forms some sort of a pullback again to your side, and you move your stop a bit. You see, so like there are so many other things that can make you easily destroy your technical edge. So for me, I believe technicals can just help you, like, to some extent, yeah. Because also, I don't think, like, for me, it's like that whole concoction of the trading principles. They all have to work. No matter, like, we always say, you can't let's say your edge is on just risk reward, and you have a hit rate of 10 or 20. No.
Yeah,
Exactly. And or let's say
you lose 90%.
exactly. And so like you look for risk rewards of 1:25. You see,
Yeah.
so such edges don't work until all of them have balanced some way. Technicals 30, risks, risk and psychology the other 70%. That is how majorly you will create like an edge in the markets. Basically, like over a period of time, what makes you win consistently? That is the edge.
Okay.
Basically, yeah. And what was that before? What were you talking about before that?
What, the edge?
Mm-hmm.
For me or you?
You. Oh, are you asking me what is an edge?
Yeah,
exactly. So for me, the question I've answered. Yeah, for me that is my main point in terms of having can technical analysis be a winning edge in the markets? No. Yeah. So
Okay.
like it can't in its own.
Okay.
But yeah, you have to develop that 30% effectively.
Yeah.
Like how you view markets, how you understand markets, how you develop ideas, how you set up your targets, stop losses, take profits. Very important. Now, if you sort that out, the next job is working on your risk and working on yourself.
Okay.
At least that I think that is the main journey of a trader. You first learn some few things,
Yeah.
learn a technical approach,
Yeah.
then the rest follows as you learn how to trade now in the markets.